we have a very beautiful question on the board. Something like this, that f of x is defined by this. Now find the limit of this function when x approaches x naught, and the values of x naught here are 1 and -2. Remember that x is not equal to 1. We are going to find the value, the limit of the function as x is approaching or tending to 1. Let's see. Now the first thing you need to do here is to factorize. Then let's see the common factors that will cancel out. We have this x squared plus 2x minus 3. This is the numerator. This one we have x squared plus x minus 2. Now let's see how to factorize it. For the first one here, we have x squared minus x plus 3x. I'll give you 2x there minus 3. For this one we have x squared minus x plus 2x, give you plus x, then minus this. Now let's see by grouping x into x minus 1 for this first one. Then this one, what is common here is 3 x minus 1. Let's check this one out. X into x minus 1 is simple. Then what is common here is 2 into x minus 1. Then we can do something. This will go with this. So we have x plus 3. Then we pick one of the brackets, x minus 1. The second one, this is the denominator, x plus 2. And then one of the bracket, x minus 1. Check closely. If you check closely, you see that this and this will go since they are common. So we write this as, take the limit as x, the first one, as x approaches x naught. Now the function there, the function is this, reduced to this. All of this is reduced to this. So we have as x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. Now for the first x naught, which is 1, we try to replace it there. We have as 1 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 2. That will give us 4 over 3. So the limit exists at the first one, x naught equals to 1. The limit is 4 over 3. Now let's try when x naught equals to minus 2 as x approaches x naught, which is minus 2. We still take the limit here. As x approaches this x naught, now replaced with minus 2 for the function. Now x here, so that to avoid confusion, you can replace the x naught directly. This is 1 for the first one. That's why we have this one, this. So now we have minus 2 plus 3 divided by, of course, minus 2 plus 2. This is 0. This will give us undefined. This is undefined. So the limit as x approaches x naught, when x naught equals to 1, the limit is 4 over 3. But for x naught equals to minus 2, the limit doesn't exist. So I stop here. If you like what I'm doing here, like this video, share, comment, invite your friends to follow us here. My name is Ubangokon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.